So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing this beautiful Saturday morning? I hope you are doing well. So guys, something just happened this morning right now. I wanted to start this vlog here with my light. I set up everything just to get the intro for this video. Tell me why the moment I finished setting up just to start, they interrupted power, and I'm filming this with the natural light, and I even realized that the natural light is very beautiful, clear and amazing. So duh. So guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing today? I decided to start off this vlog on a Saturday morning because I'll be going to the market and I want to show you all how I do my monthly shopping. Some of the things I'll be buying today are the things I buy every month, and some are things that will last me even more than a month. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how much I spent in the market today. The thing is, I have tried to do a market vlog before, but I was unable to pull it off because I live in Nigeria and it's not easy to vlog outside in the market. Let me tell you, everybody will be looking at you, and I'll also be scared that somebody will not come and grab my phone and run away. I hope I'm able to do this market vlog. If I'm able to do it, today is Saturday, you'll be seeing this video tomorrow. If not, you all will see another video. Okay, I just hope I'm able to vlog this because I really want to show you guys the things I get from the market every month, how I stock up my house monthly as a single girl living here in Abuja. Okay, I'm about to leave the house. I haven't had anything to eat. It's to 11. Maybe when I get to the market, I'll get something to snack on. Yeah, so let's just dive right into the video. So guys, the first thing I do each time I go to the market is to actually sit down and plan out every single thing I want to buy from the market. I find that this helps me to stay on track and I'm able to get the things that are actually very important to me. You know how it is with going shopping. If you don't plan what you actually want to get, you might deviate from the budget, from what you want to get, and you end up buying things that are not relevant to you, while the most important things are not bought. So it helps me every time I go to the market. I just sit down, write down every single thing I want to get from the market. So basically that's what I do every time, and I'm just doing that here because today is not an exception. I'm just planning out the things I want to buy, itemize them. As soon as I'm done with my list, I just head out of the house and ride straight to the market to commence shopping. Yeah, so let us go and start this show, okay? The first shop I stopped by is this rice shop. Basically, what they sell here is just rice, groundnut oil, semovita, and noodles. So I wanted to get my rice here because the first item on my list was rice. So I wanted to get rice here, but the rice they have here is not the same with the one I usually buy. So they didn't have the kind of rice I want, and I wanted big bull rice, but they don't have it here. So I had to go to another shop. At the same time, I wanted to also get groundnut oil from these people, but I just decided to get everything in the next shop so I won't stress myself carrying things up and down. So I just left the shop. How much for this one? Eh? Okay. How much? This one you call? This one is how many liters? Three. Uh-uh.
1.4. Okay, King's oil. We don't have the 2.4.
But why?
Liters.
This one is how many liters?
Oh, yeah, 1.4.
This one is 3 liters. I say it's 4.8. Why is it 4.8? Is it the gallon we are paying for? Oh no, that's too much.
Rice. Which one rice? This big one?
Yes.
Half bag. Bag is 30.
17.
19.
Are you selling
Then this
7?
one. Eh?
17.
No.
What again? No, not money remain.
Yes.
This one is 18. Baba rice 18.
What is Kaba rice? Okay, Baba rice.
No, I want to know if my
So 400. The kobo.
Why you make a tiny one? I'm not today can be notice. Now I tiny
You
one.
said this one is 1 what? 1
Okay, 1.6.
Oh, I need
1 4
200.
800.
Five.
225.
This one, 1
This one.
5.
What about this one? This is your 1 2 1 small. This one how much last?
Which one?
This one too.
This one last 1,000.
How much? Huh? 8,000. Get me cheaper ones.
cheaper. Cheaper. So 5,000.
So you guys, I wanted to buy a frying pan because I do not have one single frying pan in this house. I had one I was using, but I had to trash it because it was old. And you see the price she gave me, it was so expensive. I also wanted to buy pot, but I ended up not buying any one of them because I feel it's too expensive. And right now, I cannot afford to buy one frying pan for 8,000 naira at all. Maybe later, but now, So guys, I decided to stop by at this my customer's place to get goat meat. This is where I usually buy meat. Anytime I come here, I just buy one lap of goats, and that will be enough for me to cook everything I want to cook. He usually sells it for me for 4,500 for the lap. I did not show you the lap in this video before he started cutting, but you can see some of it there. So he sells it for 4,500. Beside my customer's place, I saw this glass eyewear place, and I took this glass. I want you to tell me if you think this looks good on me. I didn't buy it because it was sort of expensive, and I also feel like it's too big on my face. So let me know, do you think it's big on my face or it looks good on me? Let me know in the comment section. You guys, I decided to come get egusi and ogbono from this man because that's what I wanted to cook for the weekend. So I bought my ogbono from here and I also bought egusi from him. Yeah. Um Ogbono, just one milk cup of ogbono. I think I bought it for 800 naira. And yes, 800 naira for the milk cup. You know that measurement now. 800 naira. And for the egusi, one cup was 350 naira, and I got three. So yeah, so I'm just waiting for him to blend. See, yam now. See, I don't even know what to say. The inflation in Nigeria now, the prices of things in the market. Ha, I wonder how people that are plenty are coping in this Nigeria because the price of things wants to kill the living. The price of things in the market wants to kill the living. Everything is so expensive in the market. Like, I don't even know how to or where to start from. And I'm wondering how we are going to survive this hike in prices of food stuff in this Nigeria because almost e choke, like e choke. Hmm.
You've not put Jara for me.
I feel like I've complained too much about the prices of stuff in the market in this particular vlog. But if you are living in Nigeria and you're buying things from the market, you know and you understand what I'm talking about. These tomatoes and pepper you're seeing here, you don't want to know the price. Anyways, I eventually went back to the second shop I went to just to get the rice. Apparently, they said it's better you buy one big bag of rice and divide it into two and take half. So that was what I did. So, guys, finally, I am home, and this is everything I got from the market. See, I had to sit down, write down every single thing I bought with the price. And when I calculated it, I was like, what? For only me? I remember when I used to buy or stock my house with less than 50%, less than 100% of the amount I'm going to tell you I bought everything here. But yeah, it is what it is. Everything is expensive in the market. So basically, these are the things I got. I decided not to cut that fish because I do not want the water to spread on the other things I got. So yeah, I got these things: Milo, milk, half crate of egg. I got semovita. I got tissue, and just everything you're seeing here. I got custard, checkers custard. I love checkers custard a lot, and it's good for sometimes you don't want to cook. So everything I have in this bowl are the things I bought for cooking, like my egusi, my ogbono, vegetable, periwinkles. Because at a point in the market, I actually stopped vlogging, became stressful, sort of. Yeah, so this is basically all I got, and I also got the rice, like I said, and this groundnut oil I got it for 3,500 naira for 2 liters. Yeah, so everything you're seeing here, I got for 46,800 naira. Everything I got. This tomato you are seeing here, as small as it is, this thing cost 1,000 naira. I was asking myself, what am I doing with this small quantity of tomatoes? Usually, this cannot even cook a lot of stew for me. Maybe just small stew that will not last. But yeah, basically that is it, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you've given this video a huge thumbs up already. Please like this video and subscribe, because bringing this content to you was not easy. Anyway, I enjoyed filming this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. This is the rice I bought. Just wanted to show you what it looks like. Big Bull, half bag of Big Bull. I bought that for 18,500, and I think that's what basically took most of the money. Maybe not, because 46,500, I mean 800 is a lot of money as well. So yeah,